Hello students, welcome back to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the last two classes I explained so many examples, basic examples on differentiation. How you are feeling? Is it very simple or what? So continue with the next question number 61. See here, y is equal to, this is u and this is v. As I told you, if you are able to write which formula is applicable, half of the problems are solved there only. Differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx is equal to, this is u as it is, differentiation of v plus here, this is before differentiation, keep as it is. And what about this differentiation of 1 is 0 and this is 2x, because of middle minus I wrote minus 2x. And this is before differentiation, so keep as it is. Again 0 plus 1, differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of x is 1. So it is 1 plus x into minus 2x, and this is only 1 minus x square. 0 plus 1 is 1. Any number into 1 you will get the same number. Multiply here. Minus 2x minus 2x square plus 1 minus x square. See, minus 2x square and minus x square are a like term. It is minus 3x square minus 2x plus 1. Is it very simple or what else? Question number 62. E raised to x into sin x. Yes, have you remembered which formula is applicable? This is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. First apply the formula. Dy upon dx is equal to e raised to x into differentiation of sin x plus sin x into differentiation of e raised to x. See, e raised to x as it is, what is differentiation of sin x? Cos x. Plus sin x as it is, differentiation of e raised to x will be e raised to x. If you want, you can take e raised to x common. Cos x plus sin x. Next, question number 63. Y is equal to root x into log x. See, again this is u and this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx. First basic formula. Root x as it is. Differentiation of log x plus. Next log x as it is. Differentiation of root x. See, this is before differentiation, keep as it is. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x. What is differentiation of root x? 1 by 2 root x. If the students are thorough in calculations, you can write one more step. Root x will be written as root x into root x. Are you familiar? Plus log x upon 2 root x. This term and this term get cancelled. Write on the remaining. 1 by root x plus log x upon 2 root x. See, is it very simple or what? Yes, the sums are very simple. Only thing, if you are able to see which formula is applicable. Moving to the next question number 64. Y is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 1 e raised to x. So again which formula? Yes, this complete bracket is u and this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx will be 3x square minus 4x plus 1 into differentiation of e raised to x plus e raised to x before differentiation into differentiation of 3x square minus 4x plus 1. So this is before differentiation, keep as it is, and e raised to differentiation of e raised to x will be e raised to x plus this is before differentiation, so write as it is in the bracket. You know how to write directly, 3 as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x here. 3 into differentiation of x square is 2x. Can you multiply or what? Yes, directly you can write 6x minus 4. Differentiation of x is 1. 4 into 1 is 4. That's why I am writing 4. And differentiation of 1 is 0. Here e raised to x is common. 3x square minus 4x plus 1 and the next bracket is 6x minus 4. E raised to x 3x square minus 4x plus 6x is plus 2x. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Next question number 65. Y is equal to x cube cot x. Yes, tell me which formula is applicable. Again as usual, u into v. This is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx is equal to x cube as it is. Differentiation of cot x plus cot x as it is. Differentiation of x cube. Correct or what? So x cube as it is. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x plus cot x as it is. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So it is minus x cube into cosecant square x plus 3x square into cot x. Next question number 66. See, are they very simple or what? Yes, they are very simple. Y is equal to 4 plus x square into log x. See, middle we have a plus, this is separate differentiation, this separate. Again in this we have u into v. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx. Yes, tell me what is the differentiation of 4? 4 will be 0. Plus x square into differentiation of log x plus log x into differentiation of x square. So 0, no need to write that. X square as it is. Tell me what is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x plus log x as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x. 1x is cancelled with this. It is x plus 2x into log x. You cannot mix these two. Understood? Question number 67. Question number 67. Y is equal to 2x plus 1 into sin x plus cos x. See here, this is u into v and middle plus separate differentiation of that. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx will be 2x plus 1. This is u into v. Differentiation of sin x plus sin x. Differentiation of 2x plus 1 plus the differentiation of cos x. Understood? Now, 2x plus 1 is before differentiation, keep as it is. Differentiation of sin x will be cos x. Plus, sin x is before differentiation. And differentiation of 2x is what? 2. Because 2x will be written like this. 2 into differentiation of x. 2 constant, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Plus, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So, answer is 2x plus 1 into cos x. Don't mix these two. It is 2 into sin x. Plus into minus is minus sin x. Can we simplify this? Yes. Plus 2x minus sin x is sin x. 2x plus 1 into cos x plus sin x. Next, question number 68. Y is equal to 2x into cos x plus x square into sin x. Here, this is u into v plus this is u into v. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx is equal to 2x as it is, differentiation of cos x plus cos x into differentiation of 2x. Here we completed u into v, middle plus. Again u into v, x square into differentiation of sin x plus sin x into differentiation of x square. See, this is before differentiation, 2x as it is, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Because of that minus I am writing in the bracket. Plus cos x, differentiation of 2x is what? 2. Plus x square as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Plus sin x as it is, differentiation of x square is 2x. So it is minus 2x into sin x because this multiplication. Plus 2 into cos x plus x square into cos x. This is plus 2x into sin x. Here we have minus 2x into sin x. Here we have plus 2x into sin x. One is plus and one is minus. They get cancelled. 2 into cos x plus x square into cos x is remaining. This is the answer. Moving to the next question, that is question number 69. Question number 69. Y is equal to x raised to 7, 7 raised to x. See, both the terms have a x. Both the terms have x means what you are writing? This is u and this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx is equal to x raised to 7 into differentiation of 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to x into differentiation of x raised to 7. Keep x raised to 7 as it is. What is the differentiation of 7 raised to x? It is 7 raised to x into log 7. Have you remembered the formula? Yes, open that formula list. It is nothing but differentiation of a raised to x. A is a number. Differentiation of a raised to x is what? A raised to x into log a. The same formula we are applying here. Plus 7 raised to x as it is. What is differentiation of x raised to 7? It is in the form of x raised to n. 7 into x raised to 7 minus 1, that is 6. Question number 70. Y is equal to 5 raised to x into tan x. See students, again this is u into v. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is 5 raised to x constant as it is, sorry, not constant, 5 raised to x into differentiation of tan x. That is u into differentiation of v plus tan x into differentiation of 5 raised to x. See, this is before differentiation, keep as it is. See that formula list, what is the differentiation of tan x? Secant square x plus tan x as it is, just 5 raised to x is nothing but in the form of 7 raised to x. It is 5 raised to x into log 5. See, is it very simple or what? Yes. And students, you are writing along with me or not? Take a paper and pen, just write down along with me. Question number 71. A cos x plus b sin x e raised to x. Yes, which formula? Again as usual. This is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx is a cos x plus b sin x into differentiation of e raised to x, u into v method, plus e raised to x as it is into differentiation of a cos x plus b sin x. So as usual, before differentiation term as it is, a cos x plus b sin x. What is the differentiation of e raised to x? E raised to x. This is before differentiation. Yes. See student, here it is interesting. A cos x. A cos x means a is a constant. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So you can write minus a sin x. Correct or what? Plus b as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x. If you want, you can stop it here only, or you can take e raised to x common. In the bracket, a cos x plus b sin x minus a sin x plus b cos x. Here also the terms are not getting cancelling students, because this is a cos x, this is b cos x. B sin x minus a sin x. The terms are not cancelling. So again, if you want, you can take cos x common, here sin x common. The calculation is left with you, or you can stop it here only. Question number 72. X e raised to x sin x. Have you remembered which formula is applicable? Yes. U, V, W. I know students, now the students are familiar with this. U, V, W. This is U, this is V, this is W. Every time one term differentiation, at that time the remaining two terms will be treating as a constant. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx is equal to x e raised to x. Differentiation of sin x. I did the differentiation of sin x. Now I writing x sin x, differentiating e raised to x plus e raised to x sin x I kept as it is, differentiation of x. X e raised to x as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x plus x sin x as it is, differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Plus e raised to x sin x as it is. What is the differentiation of x with respect to x? 1. No need to write that. And this is the final answer. 73. Y is equal to x e raised to x secant x. This is u, this is v, This is W. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to x e raised to x. Differentiation of secant x. Next I am differentiating this. X sec x. Differentiation of e raised to x plus. Now I am differentiating x. E raised to x sec x. Differentiation of x with respect to x. Yes. X into e raised to x before differentiation keep as it is. Differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x plus x into secant x as it is. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x into sec x as it is. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. No need to write that. If you want, you can take e raised to x into sec x common and the remaining term in the bracket. Next, question number 74. Y is equal to 1 plus ax, 1 plus bx, 1 plus cx. So again which formula? This is u, this is v, this is w. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx will be into differentiation of 1 plus cx. Next, 1 plus ax into 1 plus cx, differentiating 1 plus bx. Here in the first one I differentiated this, then I differentiated this, now I am differentiating this. 1 plus bx, 1 plus cx, differentiating 1 plus ax. See, the term before differentiation will keep as this. 1 plus ax into 1 plus bx. Differentiation of 1 is 0. What is the differentiation of cx? C is a constant. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So I am writing here. This is 0 plus c as it is. Differentiation of x will be 1. Your final answer is C. Like that. The next one. 1 plus ax, 1 plus cx. Differentiation of 1 plus bx is b. Next here. 1 plus bx, 1 plus cx. The differentiation of ax will be a. Is it very simple or what? If you remove the bracket also, the terms will not get cancelled, so keep as it is. Next, question number 75. Y is equal to x square minus 1 x plus 4 cos x. So which formula is applicable here, students? This is u, this is v, this is w. Differentiating with respect to x. X square minus 1 x plus 4 into differentiation of cos x plus x square minus 1 cos x into differentiation of x plus 4 plus x plus 4 into cos x differentiation of x square minus 1. X square minus 1 and x plus 4 as it is. Differentiation of cos x will be minus sin x plus x square minus 1 into cos x as it is. Differentiation of x plus 4 will be 1 because differentiation of x is 1 Differentiation of 4 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. That's why I am writing only this much. Plus x plus 4 into cos x. Differentiation of x square will be 2x. And because of this minus sign, I am rewriting the last answer once again. This is the final answer. Question number 76. If f of x is x minus 1 into x plus x minus 2, find f dash of x. See the students, if the question is like this, don't get the confusion. F dash of x is nothing but differentiation. That means you have to find the first derivative. Here the terms are very simple. You can multiply, you can remove the bracket and multiply, or you can apply u into v. In both the cases you will get the same answer. F of x is equal to x minus 1, x minus 2. Differentiating with respect to x. It will be written as f dash of x, and I am applying u into v method. If you want, you can write by multiplying the brackets. So this is before differentiation, keep as it is. Differentiation of x minus 2 is 1. Correct? This is 1, this is 0. Plus x minus 2. Again differentiation of x will be 1 and 1 is 0. So x minus 1 plus x minus 2. Remove the bracket. X minus 1 plus x minus 2. Your answer is 2x minus 3. So like this. If you multiply and solve, that time also you will get the same answer. See. I will do that also. F of x is x minus 1, x minus 2. Before differentiation, if you remove the bracket, x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. That is x square minus 3x plus 2. This is the f of x. Differentiating with respect to x. It is f dash of x. Yes, what is the differentiation of x square? 2x, middle minus. Differentiation of 3x will be what? 3 into 1. So your final answer is 2x minus 3. Is it very simple? And see that answer? Both the answers are same or what? Here I did a u into v, and here I removed the bracket and I multiply. That means which one you want, you can solve by that method.